Okay, so we have it plugged up. Okay, now touch the little part because we looking for an on and off switch. So that must operate. You hear that little buzz? So you have to, I guess they have it set up to where it goes on by touching that switch. And I think you touch that switch with you. Leave it on for a quick set. There you go. You hear that? So they gotta, you would have to unlock that machine, get it oiled up and everything. But that's the way you get it going. Okay. Old machine, it needs to be oiled. This does move, but I've worked on a lot of machines. You have to open this inside and clean it. Plug is set up in a cabinet. Listen to this. You push the pedal. Come over here and see. It move a tink. See it moving a little bit. See it moving a little bit. You gotta get this stuff clean. So clearly we're still newbies. We're learning how to use this machine. But it does need to be clean to get it going. You got any tips? Send them our way. Write it down in the comments. See you next video. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.